Hey there, how's it going? Welcome back to my class. So today I'm with a new lesson, that is ninth lesson, a tiny seed. As you can see here, the 8th lesson, Deepa Karmakar, Reaching to the Stars, has been deleted from the syllabus. So we are going through the ninth lesson, a tiny seed. So let's start with the warm-up activity. Look at these pictures and what is happening in them. Why are they wrong? So first picture, can you see here? They are wasting the water. Second, here they are not turning off the light. Here, third, they are not keeping in the trash. Here, fourth, they should plant trees. They are cutting the trees here. Fifth one, they have to use the public transport. So now Babit, read these sentences and they tell us how we can fix the problems that have been described in the pictures. Can you match the sentences to the correct pictures? So let us see. A, use public transport like buses, trains and so on. So where can you find here? Yes, here you can find. So write down here number 5. B, pick up trash and put it in the bin. So where are the trash here? Yes, here. So you have to write here 3, number 3. C, turn off the lights and fans when not in use. Yes, good. Second picture. Turn off the taps before water overflows from the bucket. Nothing but number 1. The next, plant trees. Number 4th is the correct one. Next, C1 is, by doing these things, do you think you can make the earth a better place to live in? Yes. Discuss in class. Well, now let's start the lesson. This is the story of Wangari Maathai. She was born in Kenya and grew up there. When she came back to Kenya after studying in America, Wangari saw that people had cut down much of Kenya's large forests. So she decided to plant trees to save them. Read on to know more about her life. So here the story is about Wangari Maathai. She born in Kenya and grew up there only. And she came back to Kenya after studying in America. She saw that many of them are cutting the forest. So she wanted to plant the trees and save them. So now let us learn about her. In a village on the slopes of a mountain in Kenya, a little girl worked in the fields with her mother. Her name was Wangari. So in a village on the slopes, nothing but the sides of the mountain or hill. Near the sides of the mountain in Kenya, a little girl worked in the fields with her mother. So her name is Wangari. So Wangari loved being outside. When she worked in the fields, she dug up the soil and pressed tiny seeds into the earth. So what happened here? She used to love being outside, and she worked in the fields. She dug up the soil and pressed the tiny seeds into the earth. And Wangari knew it was time to go home when it got too dark to see the plants. So by doing all this work, it was night. So she decided to move on to home. She walked down the paths through the green fields, crossing rivers as she went. So what happened here? She walked down the green fields, crossing the rivers to her house. So do you know, children, Kenya's forests are home to large numbers of wildlife like lions, leopards, elephants, cheetahs, rhinos and hippos. Now close your eyes and can you imagine what kind of place Wangari lived in? Can you think of words to describe it? So close your eyes and think about Wangari. Where does she live? and say me the words what you are getting. Okay. Now, as she grew up, Wangari wanted to learn and could not wait to go to school. But her mother and father wanted her to stay at home and help them. So, as she grew up, she wanted to learn and she wanted to go to school. But her father and mother said to stay at home and help them. When she was 7 years old, her big brother spoke to her parents and told them to send her to school. So, Wangari, elder big brother, said to her parents about her study and wanted to send her to school. Then Wangari learned more and more with every book she read. She was clever and did so well at school that she was invited to study in the United States of America. So here children, she studied all the books and she is too clever. By that, what happened? She was invited by the USA to study there. So Wangari was excited. She wanted to know more about the world. So she is very happy by listening that she is going to study in the USA and she wanted to know more about the world. So what does this tell us about Wangari's brother? Yes, Wangari's brother also wanted to make her educate, right? So well, this is the story of the first page 110. So the remaining story we will be seeing in the next video. So till the time, please you go through the reading practice children. Okay. So well, that's all for today. Take care. Bye-bye.